In this video tutorial I will show you how to create a digital portfolio in NetSchool. You have to be able to send this DPF, abbreviation for digital portfolio, to your coach. It's an important part of the student career coaching program from TMA. Behind me you can see what the content will be from this tutorial. After this tutorial you will be able to open your portfolio in NetSchool, create documents and folders for DPF, upload your documents and pictures to the workspace, insert links to documents, pictures and website, and you can send your DPF to a coach. Step 1. Open your portfolio in NetSchool. Well, start up your browser first. I would suggest to you that you use Google Chrome. It works the best for NetSchool. Start NetSchool. Set your language and the starting workspace. You have to do it only the first time. And then go to your DPF menu, portfolio.
First, start up NetSchool. Of course, it's in Dutch because Hogeschool Rotterdam is a Dutch school or university. So we are going to set our language to English. Click on your name. Click on Instellingen because it's still in Dutch. It's the same as settings later on. Go for English. Preferably do some other settings you like, and I would advise you to make the start workspace, to begin werkruimte, not the HR dashboard, but your own student dashboard. Okay, don't forget to close and save, or in Dutch it's still opslaan en sluiten. He asks you if you want the new language settings confirmed. You say yes, ja. And from now it's in English. To open your portfolio, click on Menu, Portfolio, and there is your portfolio.
Step 2 would be create documents for your digital portfolio. On the computer you have to, for instance, make a curriculum, gather pictures and photos, and save your files in a separate folder. In NetSchool you have to create a new folder within the workspace from your digital portfolio, create and save new portfolio pages, insert some text, and to format your page.
As you can see, I prepared some files on my computer. I specially made a folder SCC, Study Career Coach, in the My Documents folder. These are purely some sample files, so Danny Chang doesn't exist. This is his photograph, this is his curriculum vitae, and this is some text I am going to use in my portfolio. In NetSchool, open your portfolio and go to werkruimte. That's the same as workspace. It is not translated yet. In the werkruimte or workspace you see all hand-in assignments you have from all the lectures you have been following. So it will be advisable to make a separate folder for all study career coaching things. Well, how do I do that? Click your right mouse on werkruimte or workspace, new folder, and give it a name, for instance, Study Career Coaching. Now let's make the actual portfolio. Cool. New web page. You can also use a right mouse click, new web page, that's the same. Give it a name, for instance, opening page, digital portfolio, Danny Chang. Click OK, and a new web page is made. Now you can enter your text, for instance, welcome to my digital portfolio. And of course you can format your text as you like and as you are used to do in Word. Background color, text color, left alignment, right alignment, etc. etc. Here you can see an example.
Step 3. How to upload your documents and pictures. Well, first go to your workspace, create a new or use an existing folder, upload your documents and pictures, and you can choose 3 ways of doing it. You can use the menu Upload, or you can use the right mouse click Upload, or you can drag and drop.
The next step would be uploading your files from your Windows environment to your portfolio. First, click on your new folder Study Career Coaching, and as you can see, it's empty now. Now you're going to upload the files you had already saved on your computer. Just click on the button Upload. Click on Select the file. Go to your documents and the SCC folder you made, and there you can upload the files. For instance, in this case I will do first my curriculum vitae. Click on it, click Open, click OK to confirm. It will be uploaded and there is your file. Unfortunately, this method works only with one file at a time. I can show you a method that you can drag multiple files in one go from the Windows environment to your portfolio. Just put the 2 windows next to each other, select your files you want to upload, for instance my photograph, the CV and some other files, and then just drag them in one go to the portfolio environment. You say OK, and my files will appear in one go. And there are 3 documents.
Step 4. Inserting links in your digital portfolio page. Well, first you have to select the location for this document, picture or website in your portfolio page. You have to click Insert Edit Link. You have to fill in a dialog and then save your portfolio page, and of course you have to test the link.
Let me show you how to create a link to your curriculum vitae. Select the text you want to use as a link. Click on the button Insert Edit Link. Click on the button to get the URL of your document. Of course, you uploaded these documents already in your workspace, so then you just need to click on your curriculum vitae, click on the button OK, again OK, and there is my link to my curriculum. Don't forget to save this portfolio page by clicking on the button Save. After you saved and closed your document, you will see that it's now available with the name you gave it and the extension HTML, saying that this basically is a web page. Well, you can do 2 things now. You can either view it in the real world, so you will see it in your browser. Of course, you can do this with a right mouse click too. Or you can change it, so by going to the edit mode again, only by edit using web page editor. So click on it, you will return here, and now you will be able to, for instance, insert your photograph. click on the button Insert Edit Image. Select in CMS. Well, here is my photograph. Click OK. Give it a name, my photo, and click OK. Well, if your photograph is a little bit too big, of course you can change the width and the height from your photograph. Again, don't forget to save it. And then you can close it again.
Step 5 would be send your digital portfolio to a coach. First step, generate a dossier. Give it a recognizable name that your coach recognizes your portfolio. You have to choose the option Assessment Dossier instead of Show Dossier. Of course, you have to choose a coach where you want to send it to. And then finally you can submit your portfolio.
Here's how to send your digital portfolio to your coach. First, go with your right mouse click on the file that contains your portfolio. Then click Generate Dossier. You give it a recognizable name. For instance, you can get rid of the HTML so that your coach knows this is the opening page from the digital portfolio from Danny Chang. OK. Would you like to submit the dossier for viewing? Yes, we would like that. Then we make it an assessment dossier and not a show dossier, because the files will be closed. Next step. Choose your coach. So involved. You say, okay, I want to show this for Mrs. Gerritsen. Let him find Mrs. Gerritsen. He found her. Just double click on her name. She will appear in this part. Click OK. And now she is in the list of coaches where the digital portfolio be sent to. Next step, and finish.
Well, thank you for watching this video tutorial about digital portfolio in NetSchool for the Study Career Coaching TMA. If you have any questions, please ask Mrs. Gerritsen or me concerning the technical things and the content with Mrs. Gerritsen. Have a nice day.